Welcome to our channel. Downloading Epic Games is simple and gives you access to free games every week along with the Epic Games Store library. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Epic Games website at epicgames.com to begin the process. Step 2. Click on the Get Epic Games button or download Epic Games Launcher link prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 3. The installer file will start downloading automatically to your default downloads folder, which is typically a small file around 50 megabytes. Step 4. Once downloaded, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double-click it to run the installation wizard. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your installation location and agree to the terms of service for Epic Games. Step 6. After installation completes, launch Epic Games Launcher and either sign in with your existing account or create a new free account by providing your email address. Step 7. Browse the store to discover free games available each week, which you can claim and add to your library permanently at no cost. Step 8. Start downloading your chosen games and enjoy gaming on the Epic platform with regular free game offerings and exclusive titles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.